I'm down here on the east coast of Florida, and I'm about to do some surf fishing for sharks, but I'm waiting for the conditions to get a little bit better and for the wind to die down a little bit. So while I'm waiting, I thought I would do an update on my Yeti Hondo chair. So I bought this chair back in July of 18, and it's now April of 19, so I've had it for about 8 months, and I'm pretty sure I was one of the first ones to get one. And I threw an initial review up there, but I wanted to kind of do like an 8-month update to kind of show you guys the chair and how it's worn a little bit and some of the good and bad. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you that there's not a lot bad to say about the chair. It's really broken in now, and it's really comfortable, and it's held up extremely well. So in the 8 months I've had this chair, I've taken it on several trips with me, and I really just throw it in the back of the truck and I put other gear on top of it, so it's definitely got some battle scars. And I'll show you guys here in a second how it's held up. So the one accessory that's been abused quite a bit and it's held up really well is the drink holder. Let me give you a little demonstration of what this thing goes through. All right, you get the idea. So when I first got this chair, I did a walk around and a review of it and showed everybody all the features of it. So let's look at it 8 months later and see how it's held up. So here you can see the chair's in really great shape. It hasn't changed colors, it hasn't faded. I've had it out in Florida sun quite a bit, and it's really held up well. I don't know how well this will come out, but I got a couple of nicks here, and I got a little burr there that I'm gonna need to cut off. Those are certainly self-inflicted, things that I did, I'm sure. Transporting it around. This side's kind of the same way. I'm just up here on the back, I've got a couple scratches there. So that was a pretty good one there. And then I really took some paint off there. No major issues on the bottom at all. Nice little scratch there, but those hard plastic pieces really help protect that bottom bar. They work really well. So the seat material's been great. And that's not a stain, that's just salt water. And it's just got a lot more give to it than what it does when I first got it. But all the stress points you would expect to see on a chair like this thing is like the day I bought it. So it looks really good as far as the sling material and how that's holding up. So if you're watching this video, you're probably debating on buying one of these chairs, or at least trying to learn more about it. And I can tell you I was pretty skeptical when they first came out, but zero regrets. I beat this thing pretty good. I've actually had it in salt water, absolutely no rust. And to be honest, 8 months later, it's good and broken in. The seat material gives a lot more, and it's just really, really comfortable chair. So I don't regret it. I get that it's not for everybody, but I hope this review helped. So if you like this video, like the content of the channel, hit that subscribe button. Hey, thanks for watching.